Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good and welcome to another video. As you guys know, Resurrection Remix officially released the Resurrection Remix v5.8.5.7 for some devices, and we also have Resurrection Remix 8.5.6 unofficially for some devices. So in this video I will show you how you can install it on your device, and I will also show you a short review of this ROM. As you can see here, its Android version is 10, its Resurrection Remix OS version is 8.7.5 latest, and it's an official build. Its security badge is 5 August 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. The ROM is pretty stable. Every single thing is working fine. There is no any single bug or issue in this ROM. Everything is working fine in this ROM, and you can also enable and check the FPS info on your screen while playing any game or playing a video. And we also have the gaming mode, which is the advanced gaming mode, which will be helpful to enhance the gaming quality and gaming performance. And in the home launcher we have this simple launcher with some minimum settings. Then we have styles and wallpapers. In the styles we only have one style pre-installed. You can create your own by clicking on the custom button. Then we have clocks. Here we have a lot of clocks, right? Default, something colored, something accent, as funny, analog, type center, binary, bubble, custom num, dot, 1 plus numbers, 1 plus minimum, 1 plus analog, minimalism, 1 plus Roman, sneaky, spectrum, Spidey, type, 1 plus OS, lineage OS, divided lines, MNMLs, box, and minimal. Then we have grid option. From here you can change the grid of your launcher, and then you can pick up any wallpaper. And we have this simple wallpapers pre-installed, which are pretty old. Now in the camera we have the MIUI camera pre-installed in this ROM, which is a good thing. And here we have this is not the fully updated camera, but still we have all modes and features working in this camera. The overall performance and gaming performance of this ROM is also good. Now let's dig into the settings. And here we have Resurrection tools. In the Resurrection tools we have all available customization. First of all, we have the customizations of status bar. From here you can manage the settings of clock and date, network indicator, notification ticker, battery bar, logo. You can enable custom logo on the status bar, and system icons, carrier label, status bar weather, status bar gestures, status bar tuner. Then we have panels. From here you can manage the quick settings. Then we have the header. In the header you can set any image, or you can also use the provided images at the top of header. It looks pretty amazing. Then we have the recent. You can also enable slim recent if you are using the 3-button navigation bar. Then we have volume panel. After it we have the system settings. From here you can pick up the accent colors, and you can also give it a gradient look, as I do. As you can see here, the grid looks pretty amazing. Then we have buttons and navigation. From here you can manage the system navigation bar, and you can also hide the pill from the advanced settings. And after it we have some other power button and volume rocker button settings. Then we have power dialog. From here you can enable the advanced reboot, and you can change its animations. Then we have parts. In the parts we have lock screen, weather, system profile, charging sound, smart pixels, which will be helpful to enhance the battery performance, rounded corners, sound, suspend actions, and some other settings. Then we have vibrations, gesture anywhere, pulse, battery optimization. Then we have animations. From here you can change the screen of animations, system animations, and scrolling catchy, etc. Then we have the interface, and in the animations if you have a 90 Hz display, then you can enable it from here. Otherwise you can set it on auto and 60 Hz. Then we have the interface. In the interface we have fingerprint settings, lock screen, edge lighting which is not working, I don't know why, heads up, dashboard, display size, font size, restriction, themes, and from here you can enable dark theme, or you can also select the theme from here, and you can change the app shape, status bar icon styles, status bar height, and other settings. Then we have gaming mode, which is the advanced gaming mode, and music visualizer. And in the MISC we have some other settings and advanced settings. After it we have another MISC tab here. From here you can manage the weather, and you can also enable or disable the smart charging from here. Then you can check the updates, and the Resurrection Remix 8.5.7 has been installed, which is the latest version and official build. The battery performance of this ROM is pretty good, and here we also have the extreme power saving mode, which will be helpful to save more battery. And then in the display we have all the same settings from previous ROMs, and the sound quality of this ROM is also pretty good because we have the Xiaomi parts, and in the Xiaomi parts we have the Mi Sound Enhancer, which helps us to enhance the sounding quality. And we in the security, the fingerprint is working pretty much fine, as you can see here, and we also have the face unlock, which works pretty much good. As you can see here, it is unlocking the device quickly. And you will also get the digital well-being if you install the official G apps. And in the system we have some old settings. Then in the gestures we also have the lift to check phone, but it is not working. And at the last we have about phone, and the about phone you can check your Android version, which is 10. And after it we have the Resurrection Remix OS, build name Resurrection Remix OS Q 8.5.7, official build, its security patch 5 August 2020. So the ROM is pretty stable and recommended for daily usage. So if you want to install this ROM on your Redmi 5 or any other device like Redmi Note 8, Redmi Note 8 Pro, or any device Redmi Note 4, or any device you have, then download the Resurrection Remix OS from the link in the description, and also download the G apps. After downloading the ROM and G apps, reboot your device into any installed custom recovery. You can also use the TWRP recovery. I am using the Orange Fox recovery. After going into the recovery, go to wipe, and from here just wipe everything except the internal storage. I mean select everything, do not select the internal storage and SD card. Now simply wipe from here. I already installed this ROM, so I am not going to wipe it. After wiping it, go to files and locate your downloaded ROM. Mine is in the downloads, and as you can see here you have it, Resurrection Remix. Just click on it and install it from here. After installing it, go back and flash the G apps. You can find the link of G apps from the link in the description, and install the G apps normally. After installing the ROM and G apps, go to home, go to menu and reboot, and from here select system. The ROM will be installed on your Android device. So this was the video of how you can install the official version or unofficial version of Resurrection Remix OS with 8.5.7 on your Android device. So hope you guys like this video. It takes a lot of efforts to make a video, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Peace.